If you need to log in to hosting or mail, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the easiest way possible. Whether you're checking your business inbox, opening a custom domain email, or just trying to access your webmail for the first time, this guide will help you get in quickly and without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your hosting or dashboard. This is where you manage your hosting, domains, and email services all in one place. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Email section. This is the area where Hostinger stores all of your email-related tools and mail services. After clicking Emails, you'll see your email accounts and mailbox options. Next, click Mailboxes. This will take you to the list of email addresses connected to your Hostinger account. If you have multiple mailboxes, make sure you choose the one you want to access. Now, once you're in the Mailboxes section, click Webmail again. This is the step that actually opens the Hostinger Webmail login page. Webmail is the browser-based way to read and send emails without needing a separate email app or client. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your mail address and password. Carefully type in your full email address and your password exactly as you created them. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or caps lock issues, because even a small error can stop you from logging in. Once your details are entered, click Login. After that, Hostinger will verify your credentials and take you into your inbox. From there, you can read messages, send emails, organize folders, and manage your mailbox directly from the web. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're using the correct mailbox and the correct password. Also, make sure you're logging in through the right Hostinger dashboard account, especially if you manage more than one website or email service. And that's it. You've now learned how to log in to Hostinger Mail using the Hostinger dashboard, the email section, mailboxes, and webmail. It's a very simple process once you know where to click, and now you can access your email whenever you need it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.